Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see editing tutorial on Adobe Lightroom. Now let's get started. First, open your Adobe Lightroom. And after this, in here, if you want to see tutorial from Adobe Lightroom apps, you just click on the Discover at the bottom. And in here you can see many tutorial from Adobe Lightroom. I wanna see for a trending. This is the trending tutorial from Adobe Lightroom apps. In here you can choose the tutorial that you can see. And after this, in here, if you wanna play a video, so you just click on the play edits at the bottom. And after this, in here you can see this is the setting from the editing. You can follow this tutorial for edit your picture. And finish. So that how to see editing tutorial on Adobe Lightroom apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.